Using Cash App without verifying your identity is possible, but it comes with certain limitations. To start, download and install the Cash App on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and tap on the Sign Up button to create a new account. You will be asked to provide your phone number or email address to receive a verification code. Enter the code you received and choose a username for your account, also known as a hashtag. This will be your unique identifier on the app. After setting up your account, you can start sending and receiving money with other Cash App users. However, without verifying your identity, you will be limited to a weekly sending limit of $250 and a weekly receiving limit of $1,000. To increase these limits, you will need to verify your identity by providing your full name, date of birth, and social security number. If you still want to use Cash App without verifying your identity, you can add a debit card to your account to fund your transactions. To do this, go to the My Cash tab and select Add Cash. Then follow the prompts to link your debit card. You can also use the Cash App to buy and sell Bitcoin. But this will also require you to verify your identity to comply with anti-money laundering laws. It is essential to note that using Cash App without verifying your identity may increase the risk of your account being suspended or closed. Cash App has strict policies in place to prevent fraudulent activities, and unverified accounts are more likely to be flagged for review. In conclusion, while it is possible to use Cash App without verifying your identity, it is highly recommended that you verify your account to increase your transaction limits and reduce the risk of your account being suspended. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely use Cash App to send and receive money with friends and family.